Hi everyone, how are you doing? Apa khabar semua? Today we will be reading to improve our Malay pronunciation. So this will be the first exercise that we will have for this series. Okay, in Malaysia we have a lot of online news, and one of the newspaper or online newspaper that I usually follow or read in the morning, first thing in the morning, is from Astro Awani. For today's lesson, we will read this article about a cute cat which has died recently. The article titled Kucing. Kucing selebriti dengan lebih 30,000 pengikut mati diracun. Let's repeat. Ku. Ceng. Kucing. Se. Le. Bri. Ti. Celebrity. De. Ngan. Dengan. Le. Be. Lebih. Tiga. 30,000 30,000 pe ngi kot pengikut ma ti mati di ra cun diracun. Kucing means cat. Celebrity is a borrowed word from English, celebrity. Dengan means with. Lebih means more. 30,000 means 30,000. Pengikut, followers or follower. Mati, died. Diracun is a verb. Poisoned. Okay, that will be all for today. I hope this lesson is very useful, and don't forget to share, subscribe, follow and leave me a comment. Terima kasih.